Now it is sixth part of question number 1 of exercise 4.3, and the question is x plus 2 into 3x plus 4 into 3x plus 7 into x plus 3 equal 2400. Firstly, we change the given question is in the form x plus a into x plus b into x plus c into x plus d equal a constant value, let it is k. Then for it we take 3 common from here, and here also we have x plus 2 into 3 common, x plus 4 by 3 into 3, x plus 7 by 3 into x plus 3 equals 2400. Then our equation becomes x plus 2 into x plus 4 by 3, x plus 7 by 3, x plus 3, and it is 2400 by this is a 9, and it is 3 8 is 24, 800 by 3. Now the given equation is in the form x plus a into x plus b into x plus c into x plus d equal k. Then we put those terms together such that a plus b equal c plus d, means we put those terms together in which a plus b equals c plus d. Then 2 plus 4 by 3 means 3 to the 6, 4, 10 by 3, and 7 by 3 plus 3, 3 is a 9, 7, 16 by 3, 9, 7, 16 by 3 not equal. Again 4 by 3 plus 3, 4 by 3 plus 3, 3 is a 9, 4, 13, and 2 plus 7 by 3, 3 to the 6, 7, 13. Then we put x plus 2 with x plus 7 by 3 and x plus 3 with x plus 4 by 3 because equal 800 by 3, and reason is 2 plus 7 by 3 is equal 3 plus 4 by 3. Then we put these terms together. Now open the bracket, x square plus 7 by 3x plus 2x plus 14 by 3, x square 4x by 3 plus 3x, 3 into 4 by 3 equal 800 by 3, means x square plus 7 by 3x, 2x plus 7 to the 14 by 3, x square plus 4x by 3, 3x, and 3 into 4 by 3 means 4. Now we have x square plus 3 to the 6, 7, 13 by 3x plus 14 by 3, and x square plus 3 is 9, 4, 13 x, it is 13 x by 3 plus 4 equal 800 by 3. We put x square plus 13x equal y. X square plus 13 by 3x equal y. Then y plus 14 by 3 into y plus 4 equal 800 by 3. Then value of y is obtained by the equation y square plus 4y plus 14 by 3y plus 56 by 3 equal 800 by 3. Means y square 4y 14 by 3y and 14 into 4 56 by 3. Then y square plus 26y by 3 plus 56 by 3 equal 800 by 3. Now multiply all equation by 3. Then we have 3y square 26y plus 56 equal 800. Then 3y square plus 26y, 56 minus 800 is equal 744 and it is equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of y using सीधाचार formula. Or we can also solve it by factorization method. By सीधाचार formula or quadratic formula. Minus b means minus 26 plus minus under root b square means 26 square minus 4a c, value of c is minus 744 by 2 into a. Then it is minus 26 plus minus 26 square means 676. So 26 square 676. It's understood. 4 is 12. By 6, and we have x equal y equal minus 26 plus minus, add these two terms, we get square root at 614 yes. 9604 by 2a means 6. The square root of 9604 is Square root of 9604 is 98 by 6. Then taking positive, we have y equal minus 26 plus 98 by 6. Then y equal minus 26 plus 98. Minus 26 plus 98 means 72, and y equal 12. Now take negative sign, taking negative sign, we have y equal minus 26 minus 98 by 6. Then y equal minus 26 124 by 6. And it is equal 62 by 3. Now when y equal 12, we have value of y is x square plus 13 by 3x equal 12. Solve it. 3x square plus 13x equal 36. 3x square plus 13x minus 36 equal 0, and we solve it by quadratic formula. We have x equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2 into a. Minus b means coefficient of x, which is minus 13, plus minus under root b square means square of coefficient of x, which is 169, 13 square, minus 4 into a into c by 2 into value of a is 3. Then x equal minus b means minus 13 plus minus under root 169, 4 is 12 plus by 6. Now we have value of x is minus 13 plus minus it is value of x when y equal 12 and when y equal minus 62 by 6, when y equal minus 62 by 3, 62 by 3. Then x square plus 13 by 3x is equal value of y 62 by 3. Then it is equals 3x square plus 13x plus 62 equal 0. Then x equal minus b. Minus b means minus 13 coefficient of x plus minus under root b square means 13 square coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x, the square of coefficient of x, minus 4 coefficient of x square, which is a, into c coefficient of constant term, by 2 into a. Then x equal minus 13 plus minus 13 square 169 minus it is 744 by 2 3 6. Then x equal minus 13 plus minus 744 minus 169 means 14 minus 9 5, 13 minus 6 7, and 6 minus 1 is 5, and negative sign. And the value of root minus 1 is given by iota. We will study about it in complex number. The topic of first year class means square root of minus 1 is given by an imaginary notation. It is small I. Then we can write x equal minus 13 plus minus 575 into root minus 1 by 6, and it is equal minus 13 plus minus 575 and root minus 1 value of I by 6, and it is answer.